Cause and effect in science, okay? This is a true law that always works. If you're eating the pizza, that's the effect. You're eating it. Something bigger than the pizza has to put it in your mouth. That's your hand. That's you. You're putting it in your mouth. So when you're drawing, the pencil is moving, but who causes the pencil to move? The effect is the pencil, but who causes that? You guys, right? You're the cause of the effect. So out of all these stars and all these galaxies, they were made by power, energy. What was big enough to cause all that energy and that power to be made, this universe? When you ask the atheist, how did this universe come to be? You know what they say? Maybe you heard this. It came from nothing. That everything came from nothing. The problem with that is the cause nothing big enough to create everything? No, we just heard cause and effect, right? Something has to cause the effect. They're trying to bring to you a bag of tricks and say that nothing created everything. But when you think about that, can nothing really create something at all? It can't. Now, when we think about the Christianity God, 1,500 years before Jesus came on earth, God was talking to Moses, and he said, Moses, I want you to write this down. And I want you to write Genesis 1:1. I am the eternal God, all-knowing and all-powerful. And he goes, I want you to write, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. God created time, space, and matter. When God created, guess what he did? That was time. It started ticking, okay? God created the heavens. In Greek, heavens means cosmos. So God created the universe, everything in it. And then God says he created the earth, which was what? It was matter. So God created time, space, and matter. Now, how could God create time, space, and matter? Remember, cause and effect. We need something bigger than time, space, and matter to create this whole universe with all that energy. God says he's timeless. If God is eternal, he's timeless, he can make time. So he's strong enough. The cause of the effect can be God. This space, everything in it, the whole space, everything is space around here, okay? The whole universe is space. God says he's spaceless. He's omnipresent. 3,500 years ago, he said he's omnipresent. He's everywhere. He's spaceless. And then we got matter. Every one of you are made out of atoms. We're all made out of atoms. Everything's made out of atoms. God says that he made matter how? Because he's immaterial. God is spirit. He's immaterial. So now we know that the Christian, we have an answer for time, space, and matter. That God created it. And yet we ask the atheists, the scientists, how did all this come to be? And they said it came from nothing. I'm telling you, it's harder to be an atheist in today's world. It takes more faith to be an atheist than it takes to believe in Christianity.